we got the other one back from blasting. It's got filler, which I kind of expected with a different paint job that it was going to cover up some sort of sim. However, this is pretty bad. It's hard to tell what they're covering up, but the fact that this curves in right there, I'm guessing they didn't pull it out correctly. And then I haven't seen the roof, but the sandblaster said that there's some wonkiness to that. This hinge is not even connected anymore. So we got stuff and things. It's time to cut this apart and get this back body off of there. Put it on there.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.
Mouse house is on fire!
Oh, it smells bad.
Funfetti.
Okay, we're clear to go up more.
Okay. Alright. More cut it up. Cut it up. Oh, look at this. This is the gray that I bet that the Navy issue gray was.
Yeah.
Because this was a Navy vehicle. We took the tag off her right there. Had a newspaper delivery vehicle and a Navy vehicle. Got some history. History.
Here comes Kyle in his big rig. He's got his seat aired down.
I'm a Peterbilt driver. I got that seat with no air in it. This is how the Peterbilt drivers look.
Look at that.
Is it over on there?
Yeah. That's beautiful.
We're almost there. You can see wheel well looks about right. But what we got is, let's see if I can get a good one. Right there. We are off that much. So it needs, the body needs to go forward, what, 1/4 inch or something? And it might be hanging up in the corner here. That's a lot of rig. Piers that are holed up is that little bar in there from our floor brace where it is going to hit the edge of this, so we're going to notch that just a little bit and that should be good.
Takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.